Very big thank you to crypto exchange BITUNIX for sponsoring the channel. Get your XRP by using the link in the description below. We have a major announcement, major update from Christine Lagarde, and we have the European Governing Council deciding to move forward with the digital euro and accelerate the launch process. This is something we've been waiting for a very long time, and that is the launch of many digital sovereign currencies. Let's take a look at this video from Christine Lagarde. We can see, guys, pictures of liquidity, of water, symbolizing liquidity. We have Ripple XRP.
Hello. I have good news for you on the digital euro front. Today the Governing Council has decided to move ahead on the next and final phase of the preparatory work for the digital euro. The other good news is that on October 23rd, the European Council has asked us and all those involved to accelerate the process so that we can roll out the digital euro as early as possible. This is important because as much as banknotes will continue to circulate, we want cash to be in the form of digital euro as well, so that you can circulate banknotes and click.
Right? The 1% want to get rid of cash and make everything digital. That way, they can track every single transaction they want to. You can't do that with fiat.
Cash with the
that eventually is the end goal, to control money itself.
Euro. More work is going to be done in the next few months, and if we receive the approval by the European Parliament in the course of 26, we'll be able to pilot the digital euro as of 27. And if the pilot is conclusive and positive, it will be a formal rollout in the whole of Europe in 2029.
Right, so we still have a long way to go, but don't be surprised if we do see these dates being pushed forward. We will see a digital economy, a global digital economy by 2030. We have Agenda 2030.
This is a big project because the euro is our currency, your currency. It brings us together. It's a symbol of trust in our common destiny. So off we go with the digital euro in that next and final phase of the preparation.
There we go, big announcement, and keep in mind we do have the EU DLT pilot regime being used to issue the digital euro. Plus, we do have XRP ledger-based tech being regulated under the DLT pilot regime with MiCA stablecoins and CBDCs. And we can see, guys, we do have the EU DLT pilot regime using XRP Ledger using Axiology, XRP Ledger-based technology layer for DLT transaction settlement system. We have the EU using XRP and XRP to power their digital euro. We also have secondary market for tokenized securities as well, automated market makers. So guys, will we see the digital euro, Christine Lagarde launching the digital euro on top of the XRP Ledger? That would be absolutely massive. We have BG123 telling us that Brad Garlinghouse is connected to Christine Lagarde. We have pictures of both together with other members in charge of the financial system. We also have MiCA compliant to all Unities, Euro AU tapping Chainlink CCIP to expand to major chains, backed by Deutsche Bank and DWS. Big moves, big crypto moves happening in the EU. And we have from Michael Saylor, we are hearing rumors that major banks in the US will start to buy Bitcoin, custody Bitcoin, and issue credit against a native Bitcoin asset in the first half of 2026. We have Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, Citi, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, JP Morgan. Very bullish for cryptos, Bitcoin as a whole. We see banks using XRP as well. We do have Bank of America modernizing EMEA payments with ISO 20022 and SEPA instance. We have Bank of America expecting cross-border instant payments to accelerate as ISO 20022 provides common ground. We do have Ripple having a partnership with Bank of America, XRP being ISO 20022. We should see Bank of America using XRP as early as November 22nd after the migration. And we do have Swift migrating as well And we have Swift attending the Money 2020 USA event. We have the Swift team in Las Vegas exploring the future of finance. And we have Leigh Amaro sharing strategies in cross-border payments. And we have Tom Jack leading a panel on AI and the rapid evolution of digital assets, right? We have Swift using digital assets, and we're still waiting for the official announcement of Swift using XRP. As of now, we do have Swift using XRP through third parties. And lastly, we do have a major banking update. We had the 10th Circuit of Court of Appeals has ruled in the Custodia versus Federal Reserve case. In a 2-1 decision, the court sided with the Fed, rejecting Custodia's bid to compel the central bank to grant it a master account. There we go, guys. We have Ripple also applying for a master account, and ever since, we have Custodia Bank CEO funding Ripple XRP as she is jealous of Ripple potentially getting their master Fed account before Custodia. But guys, based on the recent documentations, the recent events going on, Custodia Bank has been rejected a Fed master account. Guys, karma has hit Caitlin Long, right? She funded Ripple for potentially getting a master account, and now we have Custodia Bank getting rejected for a Fed master account. All that's left is now for Ripple to get approved for a Fed master account. As of now, we're still waiting for the decision. We'll see what happens. And we do have today marking the end of OCC's 120-day review of Ripple's application to establish Ripple National Trust Bank. We could see Ripple becoming a bank as soon as today, ASAP, which is even more essentially fire against Custodia Bank, against Caitlin Long. That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.